I understand there are 100 steps I have to take. Okay. 100 steps irukku appadina, there are people have the capacity, they jump 5 steps in a day. 5, reach the top in 20 days. There are people have the capacity, they able to jump 10 steps in a day and they reach the top in 10 days. It doesn't mean I also have to jump for 5 steps, I also have to jump for 10 steps. Take a first step. One day, one step. Second day, second step. Third day, third step. Maybe you will take 100 days to take 100 steps. It is worth, rather than all the 100 days, you are trying to jump 10 steps. Try to take that little steps. It is absolutely fine. Most of you, where you are getting failed appadina, understanding the requirement itself, you are getting the fail. It's not like, yes, there are, you got the question. Immediately you started looking for the solution. Not enna panna maatringana, you have to again rephrase the question with your understanding.